Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band. So let's press the side button to wake up the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel and here tap on the settings icon to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called display and tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called brightness settings and tap on it. And here we have the option called brightness. Select it. And it should open the list of basically the brightness levels, and we can adjust it by swiping up and down on the screen. Select the brightness you like, for example 4, and then tap on the OK to confirm, like this. You can also enable or disable the option to reduce the brightness at night. I'm gonna switch it back to 3 because the 4 is too bright, like that. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.